Hey, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have this. This is a weekly pill organizer, and it's going to be some sort of big honking thing. Let me see what it looks like here. This will be interesting to see what this looks like. Should be pretty nice, though. I've been using this thing here, and it's ugly, and I don't like to leave it out on the counter, so it kind of becomes a pain. So I thought I'd come up with something a little nicer. Let's see, how do we open this? So this is what it looks like here. Let's see, how do we, oh, ooh, look at that. So it opens like that, and then, how does this one here press open? Ooh. So it says it's a weekly pill organizer. Oh, I guess there's morning and night. That's pretty cool. Let's see what these look like here. So you have a little cubby for each one, and it's nice and big. My problem is I don't have enough space for all my pills in my little pill organizer too. I have them in this thing here, and I'm missing 2 pills that I have to take separately because they don't fit. So this will totally fit them all. And they got little drawers. How cute is this? And you just kind of put it on there. I actually only take them once a day. So for me, I would just have 2 weeks worth on the counter, and I just close it up. Just looks like a Bluetooth speaker or something. How cool is that? So I like this little 7-day medicine box. Let's see, is there anything I am missing? Probably not. So it looks good to me. I mean, this is the instructions here, but if you need it, pause and zoom in. But I mean, see, you can see it says push there and push there. So you can say push for nighttime and push for morning. Hard to do it facing the other direction, but you get the idea. Very cool. I like this. Very nice. So it's going on my counter with some pills in it. Thumbs up.